This is a short tutorial on how to use the MCdigr dashboard for server admins. After you've verified your email address on MCdigr.com, you'll be directed to the user settings page of your account. On this settings page, you need to first link up your Minecraft server in order to begin using MCdigr. First, click on the Link Server button and give us a little bit of information about your server, such as the name, the IP address, or the domain name, and also an optional description of your server. This description is used on our Minecraft server list. That is, if you want to be included on our server list. After you've linked your server, you'll notice that it says that it has not sent any data to MCdigr. Well, that's because you haven't downloaded our plugin just yet. Before you download our plugin, click on the config.yaml file on your linked Minecraft account, and it will download the default configuration file for the plugin. As you can see here, these are all the statistics that are enabled by default on the plugin, and if you don't want to track any of these statistics, simply delete the line of the stat. You notice that at the top there is a special code for your server. Be sure to not tamper with this code because this is how we verify your account. After you've downloaded the config.yaml file, click on the plugin download page in red and download our plugin. The plugin name is called MCdigr.jar, and you install it just like you would any other plugin. You make a directory called MCdigr in Bucket's plugin directory. You include your config.yaml, and then you restart Bucket. After you've restarted Bucket with our plugin, it should start sending data to MCdigr. Click on the dashboard of MCdigr.com. You'll notice that right now there has been no data sent about the server that I have linked. But if I wait about 15 minutes or so, data should start appearing. After your server has sent data to MCdigr.com, you can start adding stats. You'll notice a welcome message on your dashboard, so go ahead and choose the account. And you can click on the button here to lay out the default stats, or you can click on the top right plus button to lay out individual stats. I'm going to lay out block breaks and block places. You'll notice that the stats are laid out in the center of the dashboard. If you want to lay them out automatically, just click on the Layout Stats button in the toolbar and it will lay them out. So what we're looking at right now is we're looking at block breaks and block places as individual charts. And we're looking at the previous 2 hours of time, starting from the current time as the last time. Each step of this chart indicates a 15-minute interval. So, for example, at 12:45 p.m., starting at 12:45 p.m., there were 5,120 block breaks in this 15-minute interval of time. If we want to change these data options, we can click on the wrench button. For example, right now I'm setting this to an hourly accumulation interval, and I'm looking at the previous 4 hours of time. So now what we see, for example, is at noon, there are 6,200 block breaks in an hour of time. You can update these options on charts individually also if you wish, but at any time, you can simply click on this wrench button at the top to sync up all the charts to the same data options. If you want to view your stats in more detail, click on the plus button on the chart. In this example, we can type in a player name, a Minecraft player ID, to look at the player statistics in relation to the total statistics on the server. So in this example, this player broke 5,040 blocks of the total 8,960 in that 15-minute interval of time. You can go even deeper by typing in the player ID and then clicking the down button. In this example, we can actually see the different block types that a player broke. So for example, if we want to see dirt that this player placed, we can add this stat to our dashboard, and then we can see all of the different dirt blocks that were placed by a certain player on our server. All of these stats are updated in real time, so all you need to do is leave your dashboard open and these charts will update themselves as we receive more data. Thanks for using MCdigr, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at mcdigr.com/contact.